Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sayantani. Today I'm going to share with you some affordable ways to refresh your home for the summer. My first tip would be pick a color theme before shopping anything. Whatever color suits you and your personality, just go for it and don't even think twice. Now, in this case, the basic color I chose was turquoise. I know the camera doesn't show you the exact color, but it is turquoise. Once you pick your basic color, then go for the complementary colors. For me, it was white, beige, vintage gold. All of them complements the turquoise. I didn't want too much color in my house, so I used all kind of settled, that kind of colors, pastel colors. That made more sense to me. But of course, this is a personal choice. You can choose whatever you want and whatever suits you, and just stick to the color theme. By the way, this video is a collaboration with my girl Shyla Taylor. This girl is amazing. Check out her channel for some super cool videos. She's also going to share her living room decor, and I will give her link in the description box below, so check it out. Coming back to my room decor, I did this wall art especially for this room so that it will look custom made, which it is actually. If you want to know how I did it, then please comment below. I will bring that tutorial just for you. If you haven't seen my video where I shared how to decorate the coffee table for 4 seasons, then pause this video right now and click the link below in the description. I'm sure it will be really helpful for you. This big horse is from TJ Maxx and the lamp is from Ross. I prefer LED candles as I have 2 toddlers at home, and this is of course safer. I got this 19 inches folding tray table from Walmart. Then I did some DIYs to enhance the look. And now it matches perfectly with my armchairs and home decor. I didn't want to leave this wall empty, so I hung this oversized picture frame which I bought from IKEA. Check out the detail, guys. This is amazing. And again, shade of blue. Okay, so this closet is for toolboxes, and I have to organize this corner soon. It's quite messy now. Okay, close it. Just in case you were wondering, this ottoman is also from Ross, and I love them as they also work as storage unit. And this blue fur is from American Furniture Warehouse. This is an empty gift box I bought during Christmas time. I just placed it under the sculpture which I bought again from Ross. This mirror is also handmade, a DIY. If you wanna know how I made it, I will give you the link below. This is one of my paintings I did back in 2014. It has a little, pop of color. This room actually needed that. This coffee table was from Goodwill, and I paid very little for it, and I gave it a distressed look. I was looking online, and the actual price for this kind of table was around $1,800, guys. This glass showcase is perfect for this corner, and it's from IKEA. This dresser is from American Furniture Warehouse. You cannot go wrong with a dresser with tons of storage option. This hanger is from Home Goods and it is amazing as it folds, and currently it is a perfect spot to hang all my masks. So this is it. I think I covered pretty much everything. Oh, and the tray, it's also from American Furniture Warehouse and I think it's made in India, so I'm so proud of it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you will take some tips from this video. If so, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.